How Onpassive is going to transform the online marketing industry. Every time we send an email, post to social media, use mobile banking, stream music, do any form of online marketing or shop online, some form of AI is part of that transaction. Over time, we have become accustomed to it. It's now second nature and integral in our daily lives. And the massive online marketing industry will fully embrace Onpassive over the coming years. The online marketing industry is big and it's on the brink of big changes. Already, many companies use online marketing. Most important, companies that adopt a mindset focused on creating opportunities from disruptive technologies, instead of viewing them as a threat to their current business, will thrive by adopting Onpassive AI platform in This COVID-19 crisis is accelerating technology and change. Onpassive is marketing platform that's poised to lead the charge not just in the online marketing industry but across multiple markets. It's one of the reasons I believe that Onpassive technology is one of the single greatest creation in modern history. I see big companies piling money into this space, for the single goal of the best of way to market their company on autopilot. Onpassive is all part of the AI industrial revolution. It's shining brightly on the horizon and it behoves forward-looking business to be part of this change. A promising way to play the disruptive AI technology revolution with the online marketing. Onpassive will give you access to a platform at the forefront of AI innovation, exposure to global marketing space, long-term growth that can shape the global economic future.